Good morning, 5th grade. We are ready for language lesson 167. In your lesson today, you are working with finding subjects, verbs, complements. You will be working with direct objects and diagramming. You will have a good bit of diagramming on page 297 in your lesson. In our class today, we're going to go over a little bit how to diagram specifically prepositional phrases. So let's go ahead and look at the sentences I have on the board. First of all, I have the noise of the wind seemed ominous. Then on the roof perched a mysterious raven. So let's go over the words in those sentences and identify what kind of words they are, and then we'll get started diagramming. So first of all, what is our verb in the first sentence? Our verb is seemed, that is our action verb. The noise seemed, so noise is our subject. Now, the is an adjective describing noise. The noise of the wind seemed ominous. Now, of is a preposition, and the wind is its object, so we see this is a prepositional phrase. Okay, right, preposition here, for preposition, then object, and adjective here. Okay, then we have ominous. What is ominous? Ominous is a describing word, and what is it describing? Ominous is describing how the wind seemed, which makes it an adverb. Okay, let's look at this sentence. On the roof perched a mysterious raven. So what is our verb? Perched. Perched is the action. Who or what perched? Raven. Raven is our subject, even though it is at the end of the sentence. A mysterious are words describing raven, which makes them adjectives. And on the roof, on is a preposition. The roof is its object. So on the roof is a prepositional phrase. And the is the adjective describing roof. Okay. Now let's go ahead and get started diagramming. So first of all, we have noise seemed. Let's make our line here. So we'll put our verb to the right of the middle dividing line. Our subject to the left. Now the is describing noise, so we'll put that underneath noise. Ominous is describing seemed, so we'll put ominous under seemed. Now, of the wind is a prepositional phrase. Now remember, when we have a prepositional phrase, it's probably describing something else in the sentence. It's probably describing a verb or a noun. And if it's describing a verb, that makes it an adverb phrase. If it's describing a noun, that makes it an adjective phrase. So you're going to go ahead and diagram the prepositional phrase underneath the word that it's describing. Okay? So, if we look at the sentence, of the wind, what is of the wind describing? Is it describing noise? Is it describing seemed? Did it seem of the wind? Or was it noise of the wind? It's describing the noise, right? So we're going to put of the wind underneath noise because it is an adjective phrase describing noise. Okay, and that completes our sentence. So then we have our preposition, object to preposition, and adjective underneath the object. Now let's diagram this one. We have raven perched, so we'll get started with that. We'll put perched to the right of the middle dividing line, and raven to the left. We have a mysterious describing raven, so we'll put those under raven as adjectives. And now we have on the roof. Is it on the roof perched or on the roof raven? What is that talking about or describing? On the roof perched is describing where the raven perched. So we're going to put our prepositional phrase underneath our verb perched. Our preposition goes here on this line. Our object goes on the horizontal line, and the goes right underneath. The goes right underneath the object. Okay, and that completes our sentence. So, have fun diagramming, have fun working your lesson. You have page 296 and 297. Work those carefully. Let me know if you have any questions, and I hope you have a good rest of your day.